All right, so if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you already have Tesla credits, and that's because you referred people to buy a Tesla. And if you didn't know, yes, you can earn Tesla credits when you're referring somebody to buy a Tesla. Obviously, you have to buy a Tesla yourself, but in your Tesla app, you can refer somebody a referral link from inside the app for them to buy a Tesla and get a discount. And as of right now, the discounts, if you accept delivery before New Year's Eve, you get $1,000 off a Model Y, $1,500 off a Model 3, and $2,000 off a Model S, X, and Cybertruck. And if you are the referrer, you do get up to $1,000 off credit, but it will only last until December 31st because they have to accept delivery by December 31st. And if they don't, you will only get $500. That's a bummer. I'm not gonna lie, that is a bummer. But also shout out to everybody who's bought a Tesla through my referral link. I've had 3 people so far, and as of right now, I have 7 available links. So if you want to use my discount and I get a little kickback as well, go ahead and do that. And if you like this content, subscribe so we can keep giving y'all referrals and little tips like this. But basically, the whole point of this video is to kind of give you the idea of what you could use your Tesla credits for. Obviously, the most common, well-known one is that people use it to buy supercharging. And Tesla did have a big problem, and it actually recently fixed, to my knowledge, last night or maybe the day before. I wanted to buy the full self-driving subscription with the Tesla credits. And apparently you used to be able to do that. You used to be able to do that, and that was fine. You could also buy full self-driving completely out with Tesla credits if you have 8,000 credits plus tax, whatever. But if you have that amount, you can of course buy your full self-driving. But I found out about a week or 2 ago when my full self-driving ran out, and I tried to buy the subscription with my Tesla credits because I had $1,000 from somebody who bought a Tesla. Of course, the first thing I did was buy a mobile charger, and the second thing I did was apply it to my supercharging. And then I was like, all right, I still have some extra money. I do want to buy at least, a few months worth of full self-driving, and yeah, it didn't work. For some reason, Tesla stopped allowing the credits. Whenever you click the drop-down menu, it would only show your credit card or add a bank or add a credit card. Like, that's all it would show me. I was like, last night, just chilling. I was like, let's just try it one more time. I bought the mobile connector, and I did try to do the full self-driving before I bought the mobile connector, but I was like, I bought the mobile connector. Let me just try it one more time to see if it works. And of course, I randomly just decided that day or yesterday to do it, and it worked fine. Now I have full self-driving through my Tesla credits. But before we can get into what you can buy with the Tesla credits, let's go ahead and actually show you how to refer somebody. So if you want to look at my link in my bio, I already have the referral link. But all you have to do is go up to your 3 lines up top right, go to refer and earn, and then all you have to do is click refer now. It should show you a bunch of contacts, and you could either just share that contact by clicking share, you can search somebody, or you can just click copy link and send it like that. Like, that's how I got my discount, is I copied the link from a friend who referred me to a Tesla, and I bought the Tesla. If you want to use the link that I copied and pasted, it's in my bio. So again, use that. There is only 7 left. So when you open up your app, of course you see all your little settings, and you want to go down to upgrades. When you go to upgrades, it gives you software upgrades, accessories, service plan, installable upgrades, and then you get the choice to manage your upgrades. But we're gonna go over to software upgrades and open that up. Now, when you see it, you should see the full self-driving $100 a month subscription. So after you add it to your cart, go ahead and go to checkout. And once you check out, go down to where your credit card is, select the little drop down, and it should give you your Tesla credits. It should show you all the credits you have, how much money you have, I should say. You just apply that, and then you just literally pay for it. That's it. That's all you have to do. For some reason, they took it away and they decided to add it back, and I'm glad they did because I literally almost paid $100 out of pocket to do that, and I'm glad I don't have to do that anymore. Next, I'm gonna show you how to add your supercharging, because that's gonna be the most common that people are gonna use their Tesla credits for, because some people already have full self-driving, or they just don't wanna buy any merchandise, which is also something you can buy. So the first thing you wanna do is go over to the 3 bars in the top right, select that, and then go to charging. When this opens up, it should give you, a little charging info on the top. Then it should show you your manage payments, history, vehicle details, and membership. You want to go over to manage payments. So when you select manage payment, then you see your Tesla credits as well as your address, which I have to blur out now. Thanks, Tesla. But basically, you just select your payment choices, and then it should give you a little pop-up of your credit card or your debit card, whatever you have added. Go ahead and switch that over to Tesla credits, and then now you can use your Tesla credits. And of course, for some reason, whenever I do stuff like this, I should be recording it on my phone, but I just don't for some reason. I did buy, like I said, a mobile connector. You could also buy merchandise. You can buy whatever you want pretty much off the Tesla website. And now if you want to use your Tesla credits for merch, all you have to do is go over to upgrades, then you go over to accessories, and then you could just use the whole website. You just look up whatever you want. If you want floor mats, if you want, center console trays, shit, if you even want a wrap, you can get a wrap. And you can also get the covers for your car if they have them in stock, which they don't. I need to get one, but they don't have them in stock. And then you get the sunshades, just whatever, literally whatever you want off the Tesla website, you can get. For some reason, it didn't show me the mobile connector, so I had to go search it up. So I just went to the search bar and looked up charger, and it gave me the option. That's not how you spell charger. If you look up charger, it gave you the option to, I guess, buy a portable charger. If you want a mobile connector, if you want a mobile connector, just go over there and then you just add that. You click add to cart, and then if you want to buy it, just go over to the cart. There you go. And then you literally just switch your payment method from Apple Pay or whatever it is to your Tesla credits. And then you can buy a mobile connector. And you can also buy a wall connector if you want a wall connector. So refer people and you just earn free money to buy whatever you want off of Tesla. Except gift cards. I don't think you can buy gift cards. That's one thing I heard that you're not allowed to buy. Everything else should be free game. And the last thing that I'm not gonna buy, because I can't do that right now, and I would go into extreme debt if I did, is you could actually put credits towards a Tesla purchase, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, you can do that. So if you're wanting to buy a new Tesla or upgrade to a Tesla, you can literally add your credits. You could also refer yourself. If you refer yourself, you get the same discounts to buy a Tesla. Like I said, they're $1,500 for a Model 3. If you want a Model 3 and a new one and you have the old one, you literally can just use your own referral link and get the discount. Now, I don't think you get your referral credits for giving yourself the discount, but you do get the discount yourself. So it's hand in hand, it's pretty much the same thing. But yeah, that's all I had for y'all. And if y'all want to get those crazy discounts, go ahead and cop that. Get that free 3 months of full self-driving and free supercharging for 3 months if you use the referral link and accept delivery before New Year's Eve. So yeah, go do that. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at duronmedia. And on my main account, it's the Eric Duron for Instagram. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I will catch you on the next video. Peace.